first actual tutorials of me doing crazy color eyeshadow. Like I never went this wild before, but I guess I stepped out the box tonight. So let me know, how did I do? Tell me how y'all like it. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button to notify you when I update. But let's get into this tutorial. Okay guys, jumping right into it. I'm going to start off with the concealer from LA Pro Girls and the color Fawn, and put that all over my lids, and I'm just going to blend that all in. And this is to prime my eyelids for my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to go in with the Revolution palette, and I'm going to go in with those two tan colors. One is lighter than the other, but you will see the real effect. So I'm going to go in with the lighter color that's close to the concealer that I used, which was Fawn and the LA Girl Pro, I'm sorry. So I'm going to blend that all in on both eyelids. And then I'm going to go in with that darker tan color. And I'm going to blend that in off. Next, I'm going to go back into another Revolution palette, and I'm going to go for that tangerine color, and I'm going to use a wide, large, fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend it all out. Here, I'm going to cut my crease. So I have small hooded eyes, so it's very hard for me to cut my crease and make my eyes look like something, like you can see it, because my eyes are so hooded. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild single eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that like very light eyeshadow. I'm going to put it all over the top where I had set my cut crease. And now I'm going to go back in with the Revolution palette, and I'm going to go into that brown and the black, and I'm going to start it off with the brown going into my crease and blending it out. So after I finish blending my eyeshadow out, I'm going to go right into it with the Trusty primer stick. And I ran out of it, so I just had to like really dig my fingers in it and get into it. Because it works so good on my skin, I just have to order some more. So now I'm going to go in with the Stay Matte foundation by LA Colors. And I'm going to just put this all over my face. Do is take my beauty blender and blend it all out all over my face, and just make sure it's spread it evenly and in the right places. So I'm just going to get all over, dab it all in, and let it sink in. This color do look extra light on camera, but it also oxidizes. Next, I'm going to take my new favorite concealer, the Rewind Concealer by Maybelline, and I'm going to put that all in my highlighting points in my face and blend it all out with the same beauty blender. I'm just blending it all out and making sure everything looks seamless and look bright. Now I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to set where I had my concealer. So I'm going to put that under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead. now I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses contour palette, and this is the powder palette, and I'm going to use those two light browns instead of using the darker brown, and I'm just going to blend it all in and contour my cheeks under the satin powder. I'm going to contour over my head also, and then I'm going to go a little under my chin. Now I'm going to set my contour with the setting powder that I used earlier to bake. So I'm blending everything back out, and I'm re-contouring my face, and then I'm going to go in and contour my nose with those same two colors. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm just putting mascara on, and that's just for my lashes. I like to put a coat of mascara on. What I'm doing here is using black eyeliner on my bottom lash line. Going right into it, I'm just going to line my lips with a brown lip liner. Going into it now, I'm going to use my NYX matte butter lipstick. If I'm not mistaken, that's what it's called. And this is in the color Rome. I'm just going to put that all over my lips. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this pink Wet n Wild liquid matte lipstick. Next, I'm going to use my Chrome's NYX highlighter. And I'm just going to blend it in on the high points of my cheek to give me that highlight glow. Next, what I'm going to do is just put it on my tailbones of my eyebrows and blend it all in and give it that highlight effect under my eyebrows also. And here it is. This is the final look. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me if y'all like it. Let me know if you're feeling it, how I'm feeling it too, sis. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button again to notify you when I upload my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.